Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be comparing all the Crypto.com metal Visa cards. Also, before getting started, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if you are new to Crypto.com app and you're going to try it for the first time, check out my referral link in the description box. If you use the link or my referral code, you're going to get 25 US dollars as a bonus. So I have two Visa cards with me right now. One is Ruby Steel. This is my husband's, and this is a Royal Indigo Visa card. The quality of these cards are top notch. They are metallic and they're very sturdy. And I don't know, it feels so premium when you're holding these cards. Also, these cards are not credit cards. These are a glorified debit cards, I should say, because you have to deposit your cash or crypto onto these cards. You can use it for transactions. So they won't check your credit score or anything. It's just that you stake a certain amount and you get these cards. So there is no annual fee, no hidden fees or anything. These are actually one of the best crypto cards available right now in the market, and wherever Visa payments are accepted in the entire world, you can use these cards anywhere. All you have to do is to make sure that you have sufficient cash deposited onto these cards before making any transaction. First, let me change the currency from USD to Canadian dollars so that we don't have to always keep converting everything from USD to CAD. Alright, here let's start with the comparison. First, compare staking and non-staking benefits. So if you switch off to non-staking benefits, the benefits are less. Staking, in the sense, this particular card is 500 Canadian dollars. Purchase 500 Canadian dollars worth of CRO, Crypto.com coin, and you lock it, you stake it for 6 months, and you won't be able to withdraw your $500 or 5,000, whatever, depends on your card. And once that 6 months term is over, you can withdraw that cash. You can sell the CRO coin and you can withdraw that cash. You can still have this card, whatever card you order. In order to order a particular card, you have to stake this much amount. Once you withdraw that amount, these are the benefits, each of the respective cards. But still, like, what you can do is, even that 6 month term is over, you don't have to withdraw, unstake your amount. You can still keep the amount and have all these benefits. Let's get started with the comparison. First, you have Midnight Blue. It doesn't cost you anything. You can just go onto the app and order it directly without staking anything, and you'll get 1% CRO rewards. And also, you don't have any other benefits like Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. So it's basically okay Visa card. Maybe go for Ruby Steel. This one has better rewards than this one. Ruby Steel, you have to stake 500 Canadian dollars worth of CRO, Crypto.com coin for 6 months. Once you stake your CRO, and order the card, it will be shipped to you to your address. And 2% CRO rewards. Whenever you use this card and make transactions, you will get 2% cash back in the form of Crypto.com coin. You can convert that Crypto.com coin into any other cryptocurrency, or you can also convert that CRO coin into Canadian dollars and withdraw that amount. So it's basically you're getting your 2% cash back. Have Spotify 100% rebate. Deposit Canadian dollars into this particular card, and whenever you are paying for your Spotify subscription, make sure you pay with this card. So you will get 100% rebate in the form of Crypto.com coin. You can convert that as usual into any cryptocurrency or Canadian dollars. For all these cards, you have card limits. Free ATM withdrawal per month is this much. Moving on to Royal Indigo and Jade Green. So you can either pick Royal Indigo, this one, or Jade Green card for $5,000 worth of CRO stake in 3% CRO rewards, which is nothing but, again, when you are spending, you get 3% cash back in the form of CRO token. You get Netflix and you get Spotify rebates for this particular card, and you also have Airport lounge access for the card holder. So if you unstake your $5,000, these are the benefits for you. You can still get an airport lounge access. So next tier is frosted rose gold and icy white. This is really expensive, at least for me. $50,000 worth of CRO stake is necessary for this card, and CRO rewards are 5%. You have Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime rebate, and Expedia. If you're spending on vacations, like if you're booking any vacations on Expedia, you get 10% back. Get airport lounge access for you, and you can take one more guest with you. So there is this, research reports. You have a lot of things. You get Crypto.com private access, reward bonus, yeah, and you have more rewards. This is Obsidian. This is like the most expensive one, which is $500,000 worth of CRO stake is required to get this card, and you have 8% CRO rewards, and you have literally all benefits because it's the top tier. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to get this Ruby Steel card because it at least has Spotify uh, rebate, but for this one you barely get anything. It's just that you have a card from Crypto.com. That's it. It's totally worth it to get this one. Staking is very important because not only these rewards, you still have so many other rewards. Let's say you have crypto staking on this particular platform as well. If you are not aware of all these things, I highly recommend you to check out my other videos. So when it comes to staking, so if you own Ethereum and if you have it on your Crypto.com app, and when you select the 3 month term, all you have to do is stake. Let's say you have 5,000 US dollars worth of Ethereum and you're staking. Ruby Steel or Midnight Blue, you get 5.5% interest rate on your Ethereum coin. And if you have Royal Indigo or Jade Green, you're gonna get 6.5% interest rate. And if you have any of the top tiers, if you have an Obsidian or Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White, one of these three cards, you're gonna get 8.5% interest rate on your Ethereum. So which is really cool, right? Like based on the cards, you have this interest rate. Okay, let's check the same for Bitcoin as well. Let's say you have Bitcoin and you have Ruby Steel card with CRO stake, you're gonna get 4.5%. And if you have the green one, the green card or a blue card, you're gonna get 6.5% on your Bitcoin. If you have the top tier cards, 8.5% is the interest rate. So again, it also depends on the term as well. You can calculate your rewards anytime on the Crypto.com website. All you have to do is just go to product and just go to Crypto Earn. Let's say you staked your $500 to get a Ruby Steel card today, and you're purchasing $500 worth of CRO. Let's say you're buying it at 23 cents. In future, if the price goes up, your stake value also goes up. If the price goes down in future, your stake value also goes down. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to use my referral code or link in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.